What's up people, welcome to another video on my channel. My name is Chef and I was getting bored when I got the idea of recording a video on how to record crisp audio with a camera with no audio jack. So I'm going to be using this Sony Dictaphone. ICD-BX140 is the model number. It's also called the Sony digital voice recorder. 4GB hard drive, runs on 2 AAA batteries, got an audio jack, mic jack, plus the camera I'm going to be using does not have an audio jack. So this is the whole setup: lav mic, camera, a digital voice recorder. I'm going to be using a aux cable. I'll be talking about this later. A creative sound blaster audio card to extract the audio of the digital voice recorder. This is a Boya BYBM shotgun mic, BYBM 3030 shotgun mic. Not a good mic, but expensive. So this is the whole setup. I wanted to talk a little bit about this little guy. So I picked this up from the market, and really direct, cheap, readily available, has 2 jacks, 1 mic, 1 audio, does not require any external power source, does not have that big, interface. So very simple, very cheap. The sound quality is not as good as a Creative Sound Blaster audio card, but yeah, I use, still, you can get crisp sound out of it. So I use this lav mic. So I'm going to plug that lav mic into the mic jack of the digital voice recorder. And at times what I've found it useful for is that if you have a splitter, you can actually plug in 2 microphones at one time to record 2 people if you're in a meeting or in an interview, testimonial, any kind. Apart from that, you also can monitor the audio by plugging in the headset into the headset jack of this digital voice recorder, which gives you the liberty, freedom, and a lot of control on your audio levels. So that is a really good feature that I like about these digital voice recorders that you can use. And other than that, I spoke about the aux cable in the beginning of the video. So I'm going to be telling you that this is like any aux cable won't work. So you're going to be needing the aux cable that has 3 rings on one pin and 2 rings on the other pin. So the pin with the 3 rings will go into the microphone jack of the sound card. This is a sound card as well, like, for the sake of the video, for the name, it's a sound card. So this pin with 3 rings will go to the microphone jack. The other side will go into the digital voice recorder, and you can actually record direct audio while you're recording video, and that's how you do it. So thanks for watching. See you another time. Until then, take care.